Now, racing went ahead at Caymanas Park today and will also be conducted tomorrow as scheduled, despite one trainer having tested positive for COVID-19. TVJ Sports understands that the trainer's stable was shut down on Thursday as a precautionary measure. Clovis Metcalf, chairman of the Jamaica Racing Commission, the regulatory body for local racing, confirmed the development with TVJ Sports on Saturday.
One of the veteran trainers tested positive for the virus. We are not sure how and where it was contracted, but out of an abundance of caution, we have closed the stable area and those having access are being tested.
There are fears that local racing could be suspended with a positive test in order to avoid further spread of the virus, but Metcalf has assured stakeholders that racing will continue given the stringent protocols in place at the moment.
Do believe that patrons and those in attendance at the track on race days are observing all protocols agreed, and as long as stakeholders remain compliant, we are very confident that the sport will continue unabated. Sanitization, social distancing, and mask wearing remain mandatory at all times, race day or normal exercise days. Contact has been made with the Ministry of Health and Wellness, and it is expected that they will visit the track in short order.
Racing resumed on June 20 following a 3-month shutdown to avoid any spread of the virus.